Ever found yourself staring at your Venmo screen, wondering if you accidentally sent your freelance earnings to your friend for pizza night? Or maybe you're trying to keep track of business expenses separate from your personal spending, but it feels like your digital wallet is a tangled mess. You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, many of us juggle personal finances and side hustles, or even full-blown businesses. And while Venmo has become a go-to for quick payments, its dual nature, personal and business, can sometimes feel a little clunky. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to untangle that digital knot and show you exactly how to seamlessly switch between your personal and business profiles in Venmo. Think of it like having two separate wallets within the same app, one for your everyday transactions with friends and family, and another for your business dealings, complete with its own transaction history and reporting features. This separation is crucial for keeping your finances organized, simplifying tax season, and maintaining a professional image for your business. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why you might want to have a separate Venmo business profile in the first place. While your personal Venmo account is fantastic for splitting the bill or sending birthday money, a business profile unlocks a range of benefits tailored for commercial use. For starters, it allows you to clearly identify yourself as a business to your customers. This builds trust and professionalism. Instead of a personal username, your customers will see your business name, making transactions feel more legitimate and secure. Secondly, a Venmo business profile often comes with enhanced features designed for business needs. This can include the ability to accept payments from customers who don't have Venmo themselves, through a payment link or QR code, access to more detailed transaction history for accounting purposes, and potentially even lower transaction fees compared to using a personal account for business transactions, though it's always best to verify the current fee structure on Venmo's official website. Furthermore, keeping your business transactions separate simplifies your bookkeeping and tax preparation. Imagine trying to sift through hundreds of personal Venmo payments to identify your business income and expenses. A dedicated business profile neatly organizes all your commercial transactions in one place, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Finally, using your personal Venmo for business transactions might actually violate Venmo's terms of service. While they initially focused on personal payments, they've since introduced business profiles to cater to commercial use. Adhering to their guidelines ensures you're using the platform correctly and avoids any potential account issues down the line. So, you're convinced. You want to keep your personal and business finances separate within Venmo. Great. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to actually switch between these profiles. The process is relatively straightforward, but it might look slightly different depending on whether you've already created a business profile or if you're looking to create one from your existing personal account. We'll cover both scenarios. Scenario 1, you already have both a personal and a business profile. If you've already taken the step of setting up a separate Venmo business profile, switching between them is a breeze. Here's how you do it. Open the Venmo app. The first step, as always, is to launch the Venmo application on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your primary Venmo account, likely your personal one. Access your profile. Look for your profile icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. This will take you to your profile page. Navigate to Settings. On your profile page, you'll typically find a settings icon. It often looks like a gear or a cogwheel. Tap on this icon to open the settings menu. Find the Switch Accounts option. Within the settings menu, look for an option that clearly indicates Switch Accounts or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the app version, but it should be easily identifiable. Select the desired profile. Once you tap Switch Accounts, you should see a list of all the Venmo profiles linked to your account, both personal and business. Simply tap on the profile you want to switch to. Confirmation. The app might ask you to confirm your choice or might automatically switch to the selected profile. You'll know you've successfully switched when the name and profile picture displayed at the top of the app change to reflect the chosen account. That's it. You're now viewing your selected Venmo profile. To switch back, simply repeat these steps and choose the other profile from the Switch Accounts menu. Scenario 2. You have a personal profile and want to create a new business profile or switch to an existing one. If you haven't yet set up a dedicated business profile, you might be wondering how to do that and then how to switch between them. Here's the breakdown. Open the Venmo app and access your profile. Just like in the previous scenario, open the Venmo app and navigate to your profile by tapping your profile icon. Navigate to Settings. Tap the Settings icon, the gear or cogwheel, on your profile page. Look for Create a Business Profile or Switch to Business. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option related to business profiles. This might be labeled Create a Business Profile, Switch to Business, or something similar. If you already have a business profile linked to your account, you might see the Switch Accounts option directly here as well. Creating a new business profile. If applicable, if you choose to create a new business profile, the app will guide you through the setup process. This will typically involve providing your business name, selecting a business category, and potentially linking a separate bank account or card for your business transactions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the setup. Switching to an existing business profile. If you've already created a business profile in the past, selecting the Switch to Business or Switch Accounts option will present you with your linked profiles. Simply tap on your business profile to switch. Confirmation. As before, the app will confirm the switch, and you'll see your business profile details displayed. Important considerations. Linked accounts. When you create a business profile, you'll likely want to link a separate bank account or debit card specifically for your business transactions. This further helps in keeping your personal and business finances distinct. You can manage your linked accounts within the settings menu of each profile. Notifications. Be mindful of which profile you're currently viewing when sending or receiving payments. Double-check the profile name at the top of the screen before confirming any transaction. You might also want to customize your notification settings for each profile if needed. Transaction history. Each profile will have its own separate transaction history. This is a key benefit for tracking your business income and expenses. Make sure you're viewing the correct profile when reviewing past transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.